In 1946, in Monaco, Dr. Eugene Frezatti made a breakthrough discovery. When stimulated, skin naturally repairs itself, acting as if it was young again. Regenerative science was born, and so was Lancaster. For 75 years, we have helped repair and protect skin from main sources of aging. Inspired by regenerative science, we encapsulate the most potent active ingredients in our liposomal technologies for targeted efficiency. Ahead of our time, we used cellular extracts to preserve skin cell function. We innovated again with optimal skin protection from main external aggressors. Because repair is nothing without protection. We were the first to use and patent remodeling retinol, revitalizing oxygen, repairing enzymes. Liposomal delivery became our expertise, driving regenerative science to the core of skin. From being appointed by Princess Grace of Monaco in 1965 to releasing the timeless, radiant royal aura of all skins, we bring you today the regenerative science of tomorrow. We are Lancaster, and repair is our DNA.